St. Louis County owns and operates 11 fueling sites across the county managed by the Public Works Department. The sites are located strategically to meet the high fuel demands of the Public Works Department, but can be used by any county department, as well as other governmental entities or affiliates with St. Louis County. By using these sites, our user groups will take advantage of the low fuel cost achieved by buying fuel in bulk. A map of fuel sites is located on the Motor Pool website. The map will include what products are available at each site. Products may include unleaded gasoline, on-road diesel, and diesel exhaust fluid. When entering a fuel site, choose a pump based on your needs and make note of the pump number. You will need this later. Each pump has a number assigned to it, and the number is displayed on the pump. Before you shut off your vehicle, make note of the mileage. You will also need this information. Shut your vehicle down and enter the fuel hut or approach the kiosk. Bring your fuel fob with you. Red fobs are for unleaded, and black fobs are for diesel and diesel exhaust fluid. Look on the digital screen on the Fuel Master Console and follow the instructions. At any point, you can hit cancel and start over, or if you hit a wrong number, you can use the backspace button to correct your error. The screen will say, Insert key, hold for 1 second to begin. Insert your fob for 1 second. Then the screen will say, Enter chrono odometer. Now enter the current mileage from your odometer or hours from your hour meter if fueling a piece of equipment. Then hit enter. Always follow the instructions on the screen. It may ask you to reinsert your vehicle key to continue. It will then say Enter user ID. Enter your 6-digit employee number followed by the last 3 digits of your social security number. 9 numbers total, no spaces. Then hit enter. It will then say Remove key, select pump, press enter. Select the pump that you wish to use and then press enter. It will then say Dispenser activated, dispense product. Now you can go to the pump that you selected, remove the hose and start fueling. Note, do not remove the hose from the pump prior to all the steps previously described. The system will not work this way. All the steps described in this video must happen before the hose is removed from the pump. Every fuel site is equipped with an automatic shutoff system. If you need to use it, look for the red shutoff buttons. They are located within clear view and near each fueling location. Thank you for using county fueling sites and helping to decrease our fuel costs.